Fraction. Have you ever shared a pizza with friends? Have you ever shared a chocolate with your sister? That's where fractions come in. Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand what a fraction is in a very simple way. A fraction represents a part of a whole. Imagine you have one chocolate. If you cut it into 4 equal pieces and take one piece, you have taken one out of 4 equal parts. This is called a fraction, which is written as 1 divided by 4. Parts of a fraction. A fraction has two parts, numerator and denominator. It's written as numerator is divided by the denominator, where numerator, top number, shows how many parts are taken, and denominator, bottom number, shows total equal parts. In the above example, we obtained the fraction 1 by 4, where 4 is the denominator, which represents the total number of equal parts, and 1 is the numerator, which represents the number of parts we have taken. Here, we have taken one part out of 4 equal parts of a chocolate. That is why the fraction is 1/4. Let's look at some more examples. If a circle is divided into 5 equal parts and 4 parts are shaded, the fraction of the shaded parts is 4 by 5. Here, 5 is the denominator, total number of equal parts, and 4 is the numerator, number of parts shaded. Let's take another example. If a pentagon is divided into 10 equal parts and its parts are shaded with different colors, let's consider the fraction of each color. The pink color is filled in 4 parts out of 10 equal parts. Therefore, the fraction of the pink colored part is 4 by 10. The orange color is filled in 2 parts out of 10 equal parts. Therefore, the fraction of the orange colored part is 2 by 10. The blue color is filled in 3 parts out of 10 equal parts. Therefore, the fraction of the blue colored part is 3 by 10. The green color is filled in 1 part out of 10 equal parts. Therefore, the fraction of the green colored part is 1 by 10. Here, the pentagon is divided into 10 equal parts, so the denominator in all fractions is 10, and the numerator shows the number of parts shaded for each color. Follow these steps. Count total parts, this is the denominator. Count shaded parts, this is the numerator. For example, here, total parts are 8, and the shaded parts are 3. So, the fraction of the shaded parts is 3 by 8. Important tip. Always make sure parts are equal. Count carefully. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more easy learning. See you next time.